Here we are in week 13. So for this week, we're going to be looking at chapter 14, which is all about contracts and insurance. Within the lecture tab, you should have a video there, which is an interview with a insurance provider. I would like you to take a look at that because that's a really good video. It's a little long. I think it's about 20 minutes, maybe a little bit more than that. But it's the author, Dr. Garner, sitting down with an insurance broker and talking about automotive insurances, what each one is, what kind of coverages you need to look at. I do want you to take a peek at that, and that'll help you with answering some of the questions that you're going to see on tests, and as well as the homework assignments that you have there. So it kind of wraps up, makes it a little clearer from the chapter. All right. There is an extra credit assignment available to you, which is Mitchell Management. So Mitchell Management is using the computers in the upper lab of the computer lab in the automotive building. And in week 9, we mentioned a little bit about in the directions there for the week, mentioned about an extra credit opportunity. So if you don't remember that, go back to week 9 to find information on that. But what it involves is doing a series of quizzes. There's 5. You're going to take a look at those and you're going to answer the questions and get your certificates for those. And those 5 certificates would be uploaded then on week 15. That's going to be part of the credit. And then the last bit of that, you have to create a repair order actually using the system. The system is available, like I said, on the computer lab computers in the upper lab, so the upper level. And each of those computers has Mitchell Management, which is called TeamWorks. So you'll have an icon on there you can click on and generate a repair order. Doesn't really matter what you put on a repair order. It can be simple. It can be an oil change. It can be as complicated as diagnostics or something like that. But create something and submit that again in week 15. So that's one of the possible extra credit opportunities that you have there. Then you have a discussion board, and for this week, the discussion board, let's pull that up real quick because I'm trying to remember what it is, and I forgot already. There we go. So for week 13, we have pick a business, find out what system they use to take in customers. So do they use an appointment book? Do they not use an appointment book? Do they just take walk-in customers? And defend your business type and why their approach to scheduling or not scheduling is what makes them successful. For example, maybe a tire shop may not want to schedule all the time. They may want to have walk-in customers. And why is it that that works better? Or think of scenarios like vacation resort kind of areas. Would they use a scheduling system, or would they typically have walk-in customers? Think of, like, in our area, Old Orchard Beach. What's the population look like in the middle of winter versus the middle of summer? So that's going to help a little bit with that discussion board, and post some stuff there. Talk to 2 of your other classmates about scheduling versus not scheduling and why it's important. Okay. All right, and that takes care of week 13 then.